Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your returns in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu. And then under overview we find my returns. You can tap on this. And here we will find the list of items that we have returned in the Trandyol app. And we can check these out. And if we don't have any, we can just tap on start shopping to add some items to the list, to the purchasing list, or we can return certain items if we changed our mind about them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.